on? I'm back with another video, and I told you guys last time I filmed this fan that I would promise you some light bulbs and a light kit, so that's exactly what I did. I put light bulbs in the fan. This one right here may be a little small, but it actually does something cool. That one's the most boring one, really, but still cool though. Alright, let's turn it on. I'll put it on low and then I'm gonna turn this on. Ooh, that's bright. Okay. That one's kind of a spotlight. It's an LED kind of, yeah, I think it's an LED spotlight. You should see here, it puts a big old glow on the wall. It's humming. It vibrates a lot, so. Here's this light. On camera, it looks like a cold white. Looks kind of blue on camera, but in real life, it's actually kind of purple. But it's a... Oh, got it upside down. It's a remote light. It's got colors on it. I can show you guys here. It's got colors on it. So this is the one that it's on now. I could turn it off. I'm gonna go through all the colors. So here's the main colors. Got red. Kind of looks orange, but it's really red. Green. Doesn't really look green on camera. Camera doesn't really do it justice for this thing. And here's blue. Now that actually does look like blue. Okay, now let's go down the row for red. Now this kind of color actually does look like a regular light bulb on camera, but it's really orange. I don't know. It actually looks like a regular light bulb color, but it's really orange in real life. See, it's this color right here. This is the color that it's currently on. It's really orange, and look at the way it's glowing. And then here's yellow, which that just kind of looks like a fluorescent bulb now. Alright, so I'll put this in multicolor. So we'll put it on flash. It has all these settings, but it really doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Flash is just multicolor, and then I can press the brighten button, and it'll speed up the color changes. That's pretty much going down the row by random. Alright, put the thing in my pocket. Let's go this way to the most boring one. This bulb. See if I can get a good look in on that bulb there. There we go. Get a good visual of that. Great value. Suitable for damp locations. LED lamp. It's got these LED strands in there. Pretty neat. But anyways, there's that. Get it back in there. This one right here is the brightest one out of all of them. It's the spotlight, and it does glow as it goes out. See there, it's still glowing. See, it's still kind of glowing there. This one, oh, kind of goes out of focus there. See if I can get the camera focused on it. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. I'm not going to go too much into detail. Y'all can pause and look at this It's going in and out of focus. That's what I don't like about that. But when it does focus in, y'all can just pause on it. So there that is. I mean, all these bulbs are mine. I do have another bulb that I want to put in. I'll show y'all that in just a second. This bulb, which is another one of the one on the other side, is just like it, but this one is an Edison bulb. It looks like an Edison bulb, but it's got this LED strand in there, that LED tubing. It's got a little kind of a bulge on the top. It's got kind of some supports there to hold the wire, kind of swirly. That's the classic filament for the old school bulbs. That's what the filament looked like. It's got on camera it looks brass, but it's not. It looks like it's got a brass base, but it's kind of a silverish base. That's just the lights from up here. These lights are giving a weird look. There's that, and you see there that one's still alternating. See if I can get close in on it while it's running. There we go. Ooh, sorry about all those lines, but there it is. Let's get a close up at this one, if it'll focus in. There it goes. That's pretty bright. Let's get a focus in on this one as well. It looks like the most boring one, but it looks okay. And this one. Oh my god, the lines on that one looks pretty weird. Alright. Which bulb should I take out to replace it with a cool bulb? I got one more bulb to show. I'll take out this one because it's so bright. Alright, see you guys when I do that. Alright guys, so I got the bulb in. Just look at that. I've got it off for a reason, so I got the whole light kit off for a reason, just so I could show it before it comes on. This is a flicker flame bulb. It's for Christmas. I mean, not Christmas. It's for Halloween. It was sitting in the Halloween section of Walmart. Well, of the seasonal section of Walmart, and it was in Halloween season. And that's a phone ringing. Sorry about that, but anyways, let's turn it on. Isn't that a treat? Look at that. Looks like an actual flame. On camera, it kind of looks cool. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and show you the box of that bulb. Flickering light bulb, Halloween. It was only $1.52. Really cheap. Fits, it's 120 volts, obviously. Fits E26 medium screw base. And it's a 1 watt. Let me go ahead. Now the box is, oh, here we go. We kind of scroll down a little bit like this. Y'all can pause as this goes down. I don't want to read any of that. And here's the different language. Alright, now let me get the box for the Edison bulb. LED original vintage style bulb. Should see there. There's the ratings. Warm light. It's very warm. Uses only 6.5 watts. And the other bulb only uses 1 watt, so anyways. 15,000 life hours. Dimmable amber glass ST19. And then there's the warranty and stuff. Once again, I'll just scroll down and y'all can pause if you want to read something. And here's just the other side. This is the exact opposite side, and it's in a different language. And then there's where it would display. Here's some facts. It talks about Thomas Edison. The top is English and the bottom is Hispanic language, I guess. I'm not good with languages, but I'm just gonna guess that. And there's just the side that I showed you first. There's that. Just tells you some stuff about it. Made in China. Just like most things. Alright, that's it about that. But anyways, there's that thing. And if I can, I'll unscrew these until they go off, and I'll unscrew them until they go off, and I can just show you the light by itself. There. Now that just gives an interesting red glow. If I go a distance from it, you'll just pretty much tell. It looks bright on camera, but it's really not that bright. The camera's not good with colors. It looks orange, but it's really a darker orange than that. Anyways, let's turn this back on. Turn that back on. Takes a second. There we go. Turn this one back on. Alright guys, sure hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video if you liked what I showed you today. See, I told you guys I wouldn't leave you hanging on this. I did pretty well on putting the bulbs in there. That's kind of bright. Let's move over here. And subscribe if you like my content. Please click that bell icon for YouTube to send you a notification when I upload. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.